Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you a legal marketing hack using Brainwork plus Phrase and then Killbot. Okay, so you start with your keyword research that you can use Brainwork or your preferred keyword research tool. Now I want to write about legal marketing. I have a low competition here, somewhat difficult. They suggested some questions. Then I'm gonna tackle a little bit and I'm gonna research what is legal marketing. It's a better one. I have low volume, but I have low competition. I can rank to that keyword. It could be a blog post. Then I come here and I create an outline. What's legal marketing? Then you research a little bit to see if you like that one or if you want to generate another one. I didn't like it. Let's generate again. So I like that one. Here I have a good outline. Then you click here on write post. Continue. I'm gonna add an additional keyword that will be legal marketing. And I'm gonna create with those two quick keywords. What's legal marketing and legal marketing. Okay, so I have my outline here. And now I'm gonna go to Phrase to research the topics I want to write about. I'm here on Phrase, new document, what's legal marketing, create new content. Let's select the best country for that research and the language. Top Google results, create document. Then click here to get the SERP, and then you're gonna read here the content and you're gonna select, of course, the best one. So I want this one. Then you go to Killbot with that text and you select the kind of mode you prefer. I want to create from that piece of content something simple. So I'm gonna go to the simple mode and I'm gonna paraphrase. I like that result. I'm gonna copy and paste, and then I'm gonna go back to Brainwork. I'm here on my project and here on what's legal marketing. I'm gonna copy and paste the text that I already paraphrased, and then I'm gonna write a bit more using that step. I'm gonna tell the AI to write a paragraph. So the AI wrote a bit more for me. And then, as you can see, I will go back to Phrase. And here on Phrase, I will search another piece of content I want. So I like that part as well. I'm gonna copy and paste. And I'm gonna go to Killbot. Now I want something short, and I will create the short mode. You can just play between the modes to have a more fluency using your AI writing. So I like that result, and I'm gonna go back to Brainwork. I'm gonna copy and paste my result. I'm gonna change here what I need to change, and then I'm gonna ask Brainwork to write a bit more. So then I'm gonna tackle and adjusting my writing, but as you can see here, I have a lot of original content from, two paragraphs that I took on Phrase using Killbot plus Brainwork. So that's a marketing hack to make you write faster using tools that you can find right now on AppSumo as Brainwork, and also taking advantage that Killbot has deep discount, more than 50% of discount on their annual plan. So you pay almost nothing for a tool that is essential for your writing process. I hope you like that marketing hack. Till the next time.